Okay, today I'll show how to expand your drive. It can be your C drive, it can be your D drive or whatever. Okay, most of the time you need to extend your C drive due to your heavy load or heavy file load. It's not sufficient for my laptop is okay, but for yourself I'm creating this video. Suppose you have in 100 GB or 200 GB, you want to extend this your partition for C or D or whatever. Okay, so now we have in 350 GB, we want to add this another 50 GB, 400 GB, and we want to take this file sorry, not the file, we want to take this space from our this another drive. Suppose in D drive has 250 GB, so we can be take 50 GB from here and we can add this 50 GB to our Windows C. So how do we do? Okay, I'll show. So firstly you need to make sure it is both is from where you want to take and from you want to add, both will be came to same disk. So how to check and how to do? At first you need to go to search bar and just search disk management. Okay, disk management. So it will become disk management or as like this, create and format hard disk partition. Okay, just to open it, just to open from here or just on time is just to click. Yeah, it will become as like this, just to make sure it is come as like this. Okay, in disk management or whatever we are just clicking, it will become the interface is like. So if your generally on laptop has the one disk, but if your laptop or desktop has more disks, it will become disk 0, disk on, disk 3 as like this. Okay, from disk on you can't able to take a space to disk 0 or as like this you can't take a space from different disks. You need to allocate disks within your on SSD or on HDD. Okay, I have on SSD, it's on 100 sorry, it's on terabyte. Okay, so we can be allocate from here. Now we have Windows is 350 GB, but we want to extend another 50 GB. So what will be take? Will be take 50 GB from here. We have a D drive. From D drive now it is 250 GB. Want to take 50 GB from here and to add to here. So now what will we do? Maybe you are thinking we can be take only 50 GB from here. So we no need to delete something from your partition, but it is totally wrong. Okay, you need to totally delete this volume from here, full volume. Just 20 GB you just don't partition. Okay, because it's don't allow to this our system by using external tool. Maybe is this possible, but from Windows the main software, this disk management software is don't allow this. Okay, so we need to totally delete this disk D at first. So you make sure in this disk D or whatever no one data is here, you need to take backup to your pen drive or whatever. Already I take a backup. Already I'm fully prepared for creating the video, and maybe there has because I will be take data from here only in a D drive, so we no need to touch in a E drive. Okay, so we'll go to here and how to do in D drive. Now we need to totally delete, just right click in D drive and totally delete this volume. Yeah, and press yes. Look, now it is come this unallocate. That means we can be added to here. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add this 50 GB. So open your calculator and calculate this 50 GB. 50 into 1024. Why 1024? Because we know this 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, right? So there is calculating by using MB only. So is equal to, it will become 51200. So just to remember this number 51200 for 50 GB. So we need to add 50 GB with our Windows C, right? So press on time in Windows C left click, then right click, and see on option is extend volume. Press extend volume, press next. Okay, so they are showing us automatically. They are given our unallocated space, this whole MB, but we need only 50 GB. For 50 GB we already uh, it was 51200, right? For 50 GB, just to press it next. Yeah, just press you finish. Yeah, just you see, now it is 400 GB. Okay, just to make sure you go to your file manager and just on time refresh. Look, our Windows C is now 400 GB, right? And our quality, but we have this another unallocated 200 GB also is available here, right? Yeah, so we need to allocate here. So how to allocate? Just go and new simple volume, just press it next. Okay, so no need to change this because it is 200 GB. This all MB will become this automatically. This is our total 204800. This is total scheme. Just to press it next. Okay, and which bricks you are made? I want to make in D drive. Okay, which drive you want to make? Just to select. Okay, no need to change anything. Just make sure it is look like this. Just press this next. Keep it in NTFS mode. This is this latest file system mode, very well. No need to change these things. The allocation unit size will be default, take it default, and this volume level you can be take a new volume or Harish. It was before that it was Harish. Okay, I just put it. That's this volume name. Yeah, you can as a whatever you can do. Perform a quick format. You can give. Otherwise, it will be take more time. And don't enable this file and this folder compression. If you enable, it will be your file will be stored more optimized way. But the thing is it will be take your more computational power from your PC. So don't enable this. Make sure, okay, just to take this format. Okay, just to ensure this is look like this. Okay, and just press next, and just make sure there another one time everything is here. Yeah, your disk size is at some MB, and your quick format, yes. Okay, then finish. Just waiting 1 minute. Within 1 minute it will be created. It's created. Just go to your file manager and just refresh on time. Yeah, just look, before that it was the 250 GB. Now it is just 200 GB. Okay, and this 50 GB is come to our this C drive. Okay, it is come 199 because 1 GB it take for metadata. We no need to store. This is the internal file system for their hours they are taken 1 GB. Okay, so this is the things, but make sure you all data you are already taken backup. Okay, I hope you are in well, and if any comment you can give it to me this comment. Okay, I hope you, okay, I hope you are in well. Okay, thank you all.